Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll be talking about a new wallet, the KWTCN Wallet, which has a total of about $1,500 worth of airdrop to distribute. So all you have to do guys is just to make sure you watch this video till the end, as I'll be showing you guys the step-by-step guides on how to participate in this particular airdrop campaign and claim out about $1,500 worth of airdrop. All right, now over here on my screen guys, you can see we have a total of two blockchains right here. We have that of TRX and then we have that of Ethereum. All right, now in this particular $750 you're seeing right here guys, is actually that of TRX chain. All right, that of Tron chain. If you switch over to the Ethereum chain, you're going to see the same thing. All right, you're gonna see a different one worth about $750 as well. So this $750 in Ethereum plus the $750 in TRX is going to amount up to the $1,500 worth of the airdrop we are talking about. So all you have to do guys is just to make sure you do not skip any part of this video, as I'll be showing you guys how to claim out this particular airdrop. All right, and in case you're joining us for the first time or you're not yet subscribed, all you have to do guys is just to kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell to all, so you always get notifications of important videos like this. All right, and as you do well to give this video a thumbs up, we really appreciate that. All right, now to get started on this app guys, is really very simple. All you have to do is just to check down the video description. Check the description box of this video. You're going to see the link you use to get the app. All right, the app you're going to use to earn this particular airdrop. And not only in the description box of this video, if you check out our Telegram channel, you're as well going to get the link to this particular app. All right, and once you're done installing this particular app on your phone, all you have to do is just to come up here and choose one of these options. All right, we have two different options right here. We have the first option, which is to create wallets if you don't have a wallet, or you can go ahead and recover wallet if you already have. All you have to do guys is just to go ahead and click on create wallet. All right, once you create wallet, this page is going to come up. That's going to ask you of your invitation code. All right, I'm going to place the invitation code in the description box of this video as well, and as well on our Telegram channel. So all you have to do is just to go ahead and enter the invitation code. Now once you're done entering the invitation code, all you have to do is just to go ahead and click on where it says create wallet, and you can see success. I've successfully created this wallet. And the next thing guys is just to go ahead and create a mnemonic for the wallet. All right, that is more like the 12 seed phrase or the 24 seed phrase. So all you have to do is just to go ahead and click on this one that says, this little box right here that says you agree to the terms and conditions. Once you're done checking this little box, you go ahead and click on this one that says create wallet. All right, this is going to ask you for your password. Then you go ahead and confirm your password. All right, you go ahead and click on this one that says continue, and that is all you need to set up your wallet. All right, so go ahead and complete your registration, save your seed phrase in a comfortable place that no one has access, and you're good to go. All right, and once you're done with the whole registration process guys, you're going to come up here and get about $750 in the e-chain, and as well $750 in the T chain. If you come over here guys and check, you discover that the token right here we're talking about is SVERV. All right, you can see this right here, SVERV on Ethereum chain, which is currently worth about $750. If I switch over to the Tron chain, you discover I still have SVERV on the TRX chain. You can still see that this right here. Besides this guys, I'm still going to show you other ways you can use to scale up and earn even more in this particular airdrop. All right, not only about $750, you can earn even more using this particular KWTCN wallet. All right, to scale up in the quantity of the SVERV tokens you're going to earn. All right, that is the particular token we are looking to earn. There are different other ways, like I said, you can use to scale up your earnings in this particular wallet. So we have three different tiers you can use to scale up. We have the tier 1, we have tier 2, and as well we have tier 3, or more like the levels of referral in this particular wallet. All right, tier 1 is your direct referrals, where you get to earn about 8%. That is the total of about 400 SVERV tokens. All right, and that is valued at about $120 or so. All right, now the level 2 or the tier 2 guys, you get to earn about 7% reward. That is when your referrals invite other referrals. All right, so this is going to fetch you about a total of $105. All right, that is currently what's about 350 SVERV tokens. And the last one is the quarter 3, guys, or the tier 3, where you get to earn about 5% reward. All right, that is when your third level of referral refers another on the particular wallet. All right, you get to earn about 250 SVERV token valued at $75. All right, and if you want to copy out your referral link from this particular site, all you have to do, guys, is just to come up here and click on this one that says invite right here. All right, once you click on invite, this page is going to come up. So all you have to do is just to go ahead and copy out your referral code and share it with your friends. Then you stand the chance of benefiting from their earnings. All right, that is very simple. And besides that, guys, there are still other means you can still use to scale up your earnings in this particular wallet. All right, once you click on this one that says task below here, all right, if you look down here, you're going to see this one that says task. Once you click on it, this page is going to come up, and over here, guys, you'll see different tasks you have to perform in order to boost up your earnings in this particular wallet. All right, we have just joining their Telegram account, guys, will fetch you around 200 points. All right, you can see joining them on X will fetch you around 200 points as well. YouTube will as well fetch you around 200 points. So do well to join all of these and boost up your balance to a reasonable amount. All right, now if you check out this VVS, that is the staking system, you discover that you'll be able to stake and earn in this particular wallet as well. All right, they have two different chains, the Ethereum and the TRX chain. You can see the both of them right here. So all you have to do, guys, is just to come up here and put in the amount of assets you want to stake in USDT. All right, once you put it in, then you stand the chance of getting back your asset in 5 days time. So this is all it takes to benefit from this VVS system and claim from it. All right, now if you're capable of owning a team, let me just show you what it means to own a team. All right, so click on this one that says me, then you come over here and check out your team, guys. Once you're able to own a team, all right, depending on the grade of the team, you'll be able to apply for a position. All right, so all you have to do is just to come up here and click on this one that says apply a position. Once you click on it, this page is going to come up. You're going to see the job commission right here. All right, we have different nodes. We have the primary node where you get to earn about up to 2,000 points. All right, you can see this right here, up to 2,000 points. Then we have the intermediate node where you get to earn up to 30,000 points. All right, now we have the advanced mode where you get to earn about 7%, about 300,000 points, and the rest of them. All right, the final one is the honor node. So all you have to do, guys, is just to scale up your team. All right, build up your team and apply for a position and stand a chance of boosting up your earnings in this particular site. All right, now for research purposes, guys, you might want to know that these KWTCN wallets already has their official websites, their MSB lookup certificates, and as well their ARV lookup certificates. All right, so you can do well to check them out, or you just come up here and read more about them using this option right here. All right, so if you have further questions on this particular airdrop on the KWTCN wallet, all you have to do, guys, is just to go ahead and put it down in the comment section, and I promise to respond to your questions immediately. The links on how to get started are already in the video description and as well on our Telegram channel. So all you have to do, guys, is just follow all the steps I've explained in this video and get started. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.